Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our motivational series. Today, we are going to talk about something powerful, something that can transform the way you live, the way you work, and the way you see yourself. The topic is crush the weak version of yourself. Now, let's be honest. Each one of us has two versions living inside us. One is strong, focused, and determined. The other is weak, lazy, and full of excuses. The weak version says, I'll do it tomorrow. The strong version says, I'll do it now. The weak version says, this is too hard. The strong version says, bring it on. The battle between these two versions is happening every single day. The question is, which one are you feeding? Think about your mornings. When the alarm rings, the weak version tells you, hit the snooze button, sleep a little longer. But the strong version tells you, get up, your goals won't wait. If you listen to the weak voice, you lose the day before it even begins. But if you listen to the strong voice, you win the first battle of the day. Here is the truth. Greatness is not built in comfort. Greatness is built in struggle, in discipline, in hard choices. The weak version of you loves comfort. It loves excuses. It loves shortcuts. But the strong version, it thrives in discomfort. It knows that growth only comes when you push yourself beyond your limits. I want you to imagine this. You are standing in front of a mirror. On one side, you see the weak version of you, lazy, complaining, always finding reasons why life is unfair. On the other side, you see the strong version of you, confident, hardworking, unstoppable. The weak version whispers, it's okay to give up, no one will notice. But the strong version shouts, stand tall, keep going, prove yourself. Which one will you choose to become? Now listen carefully. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to win every single battle. But you cannot allow the weak version of yourself to lead your life. Because if you do, your dreams will die. Your potential will fade. You will live a life of regret. Every time you push yourself to study when you are tired, to work when you feel lazy, to practice when nobody is watching, you are crushing that weak version of yourself. You are feeding the strong version. And the more you feed it, the stronger it becomes. Think about the most successful people in the world. Do you think they don't have a weak version of themselves? Of course they do. But the difference is they don't listen to it. They don't allow that voice to control them. They silence it with action. Here is the secret. Action kills weakness. The moment you take action, the weak version loses its power. The moment you step into the gym, open the book, or start working on your craft, the weak version disappears. It cannot survive when you are moving forward. So, I want you to make a decision today, a decision that from this moment on, you will not let the weak version of yourself win. Yes, It will still whisper, yes, it will still try to stop you, but you will stand up stronger. You will fight back. You will say, I am not excuses. I am not my laziness. I am not my fear. I am stronger than that. Repeat after me. I will not be controlled by the weak version of me. I will rise. I will fight. I will grow. Let this be your mantra. Say it every day. Believe it, live it. Remember this, life is not about competing with others. Life is about competing with the old version of yourself. If today you are just 1% stronger, 1% smarter, 1% more disciplined than yesterday, you are winning. So, tomorrow morning, when the alarm rings, crush the weak version of you. When you feel tired, crush the weak version of you. When fear tries to stop you, crush the weak version of you. Do it again and again until the strong version is the only version left. Your future self is waiting for you, and that future self is proud, successful, unstoppable. Don't let the weak version steal that future from you. The time is now. Rise up, fight back, and crush the weak version of yourself. Thank you for listening to this episode. If today's message inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, the weak version of you has no place in your life anymore. You are stronger, you are greater, and you are unstoppable. Until next time, stay strong, stay disciplined, and keep crushing it.